This video will show you how to use certain features on our website that make it easy to find the products you need. This is the top page of the Sugatsune global site. The site is broken down into two major sections: furniture and architectural hardware and industrial component hardware. For this video, we will search for products from the industrial component hardware page, but both sites function the same. First, go to the Categories section on the page and select a category. From there, you can use the product filter to narrow down your search. Let's try searching for a magnetic catch. Click on the Catches, Latches, and Fasteners category. Then click the Magnetic Catch subcategory. As you can see, there are currently 86 results for magnetic catches. Use the filters on the right to narrow down your products. Next, let's enter specific criteria into the filters. First, set Type to Standard. Select the horizontal, surface mount, and vertical and horizontal mounting directions. Let's try seeing what results we get with the current criteria. The search narrowed down the 86 results to just 31 products. Next, enter the magnetic force, width, and height. If you're unsure about an attribute, hover over the question mark icon for details. The illustration explains each attribute. This way, you can enter values with confidence. This time, the search refined the results to just one product. Click the product to see more details on its page. Above the specification table, 1 of 2 indicates that out of 2 total variations, only 1 matches the selected filters. That's why only 1 is shown in the table. In addition to the specification table, additional product details and resources are available on this page. In this example, we use the magnetic catch category, but the filtering options are available for other categories as well. This tool makes searching more efficient, so give it a try when exploring other categories.